तुजें नांव कितें तुमचें नांव?
म्हजें नांव श्रियाक जोआ फेर्नांडीस.
बरें.
आय एम गांवकार ऑफ गोलती कुमलीदार.
या
एका टायमार हांव कमिटीनी आहलो एज अ ट्रेजरर.
वय.
दॅट इज द टायम वी रिवायव द कुमलीदार. मोदें सारकी ही जाल्ली मीन्स नोबडी वॉज टेकिंग इनएक्टीव एंड नोबडी वॉज टेकिंग इंट्रस्ट.
तूं आतां आयलंडाचेर कितले वर्सां आसा? भायर आहलो
पयलीं
काय?
हांव भायर आहलो.
खंयसर?
आय वॉज इन गल्फ, आय वॉज इन रशिया,
I
आय
see.
वॉज इन बॉम्बे.
Which field?
I am an electrician. I was
I
working
see.
for Tata's,
I see.
Tata projects.
I see. I see.
So now 30 years I am in Goa.
वय.
So I am in.
तुमी रिवायव केले तुमच्या टिमान?
हाँ?
तुमचे
होय,
टिमान
होय.
रिवायव केले खंयच्या वर्सान सुमार?
जातली एक 20 वर्सां. जुलियो हेरेडिया, सर्वीत आनी आमी तें रिवायव
बरें
केलें.
बरें बरें. वॉट इज द मेन चॅलेंज विथ द कोमनीदाद इन कीपिंग इट गोईंग, कीपिंग इट एक्टीव? कितें प्रॉब्लम कितें?
कितें आहा प्रॉब्लम कितें आहा आमचे पयशे आहा पळय ते आमकां मोडूंक मेळना. टू मच ऑफ
ब्युरोक्रेसी,
रिस्ट्रिक्शन.
रिस्ट्रिक्शन फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट.
आमकां आतां गरज पडले जाल्यार पयशे आमी डोनेट करून कितें काम करता. आमकां आमचे कडेन आमचे फंड आसा पण ते काडूंक मेळना आमकां.
काडूंक मेळना.
ते म्हणजे पयलें सँक्शन जावंक जाय आनी कितें जायत्यो वस्तू आहा.
आय सी. आय सी.
लॉट ऑफ हर्डल्स इन दॅट. आनी आदीं कितें आसलें आदीं बिफोर बांदोडकर एवरीथींग वॉज यू नो कोमनीदार म्हणजे जोण व्हरूंक म्हणजे वॉर हें दिसतालें, बरें दिसतालें. आमी भुरगे तेन्ना.
वय.
आनी टील 1779 आमचें बरयतालें जोण आनी 21 जाल्या उपरांत तुज्यान घेवं येता. तेन्ना ते 17 to 4 years
वय.
ते पुरकुरेस आहा म्हणजे म्हज्या मायन कलेक्ट करूं येतालें. हें एटॉनीक ही दितालें म्हणजे टील या मेजर म्हज्यान कलेक्ट करूंक येना. मागीर 21 जाल्या उपरांत वचून आमी वरान सायल मारून ते
I see. I see. So it was a great pride in those years.
Yeah, great pride. And I remember last zone I got about 70 rupees.
Which was a big amount
Big amount those days.
those days.
Because now I am 67.
Okay.
So 21 years back it was big, big amount.
Yeah. So तेन्ना जोण कितले आहले सुमार, मोर ऑर लेस?
तेन्ना मेमोरी आमचे चड आहले आनी आमकां इनकम कोमनीदाद इनकम वॉज ओन्ली ऑफ माणसो एंड शिताव द फील्ड. Otherwise, like other comunidad, Porvoni comunidad, they have a lot of properties, they get a lot of revenue. We are a non-performing comunidad, you can say.
Manshu are the sluice gates.
Yeah, sluice.
Manos.
Yeah.
And Sidao is?
Sidao is that share of the fields.
Yeah.
Fields we have, all
Correct.
the fields are of
Were all
comunidad.
owned by the comunidad.
So they have to pay some...
1/6 or 1/3? 1/3?
1/6.
1/6.
Yeah. So you have to pay, and that they used to sell the paddy, what is coming to the comunidad, and my tajes amkan जोड
Why? So you all were getting the share in the form of actual paddy?
Yeah, paddy and of the sluice gates.
Yeah, sluice gates was money.
Yeah, money, cash.
Cash.
And here it was paddy convert करून paddy cash मेळताले. Selling the paddy and you getting cash.
Yeah. So then the Tenancy Act came and the fields were given to the tenants. So they stopped paying.
बांदोडकरान ती रूल काडली न्ही.
Why?
लायता तेजें शेत.
Why?
आतां कितें आहलें those days गांव other than गांवकार nobody was the owner of the fields.
Correct.
आनी तेन्ना त्या गांवकारां कडेन जाय जाल्यार म्हणून मागीर ते कोणाकय हिंदू लोक कोण एनीबडी फार्मर्स ता दिताले.
From outside the village.
Yeah, and they used to share.
Okay.
50%. म्हणजे तूं देस सगळें हें कर 50% तुका वर 50%
Subtenant, kind of subtenant.
साफ टेरम म्हणजे ना नाहलें. मागीर स्लोली कितें जालें आतां रूल आयले आनी मागीर ते म्हणले आमी आतां इतलीं वर्सां शेत आमचें शेत आनी तूं कोण रियल ओनर आहलो शेत गेलें.
Why?
तें जालें. लॉट ऑफ फ्लॉज इन दीस.
Okay. So in that sense, then people lost interest in the comunidad system.
Yeah, then ते कोमलीदार बॉन केली बांदोडकरान आनी उपरांत कितें जालें शिता बिता बंद जालें. सो पीपल लॉस्ट इंट्रस्ट.
Yeah, there was no revenue. Yeah.
No, lost interest in plowing the fields also.
I see.
Because no playing shida, no tax.
Correct.
तेन्ना कितें जालें
Pressure was there. Pressure was there.
You are compelled to plow the field.
Yeah.
Then once that rule changed, then there was no compulsion. If
Yeah.
you want to plow, you plow, that just gets
So
barren.
what you're saying is that the agricultural tenancy laws could have actually resulted in lower efficiency.
Yeah, of course. Because of that, only who had manpower in the house, in the family household,
Yeah.
they could plow because labor was expensive.
Yeah.
All that. So, a lot of factors are there. No?
What are the main issues facing Diwar Island today in terms of environment or?
Diwar Island, now what happened? Now the bunds are built, but in between bunds were not there, so lot of mangroves have become. And now government is saying this is forest,
I see.
but actually these are all fields. And now some if you go to Ribandar side, some of the fields belong to across people,
I see.
Ribandar people.
I see.
So they must have died, and nobody is interested in that. Only when it comes for, suppose you are getting some money, people all will come.
Yeah.
I feel that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, nobody interested.
So in the past, the people who built this system had a different approach.
Different approach, it was well organized system.
ते मातशे सेल्फिश कशें म्हणूंक जाता सेल्फलेस म्हणूंक जाता
Self-help
ताका.
म्हणून
And 60s सुद्धा ते विलेजाचे बी बरे केअर घेताले न्ही.
Till 70 it was okay. It was after 70s things changed.
Yeah.
Till 70 it was okay.
So they were also looking after the village maintenance and the roads and drainage and things like that, no? Comunidades?
Comunidades was there was no tar road as such. Tar road came later on.
I
Much
see.
later. That time it was all mud roads only. And wow and all, people used to, in front of me, my compound, I used to maintain
Okay.
my wow.
Okay.
People were taking interest, cleaning the place, let the water goes. Now,
I see.
now Panchalis come inside, so Panchal is taking. But they are gutter pa galta, they kidak faida kai na. They udak tisal utta.
Urana, वही.
Ground udak should go in the
Yeah,
ground. The
yeah.
ground plateau is getting dry. यहाँ आदमी हालने पड़ते तो बाबू जो सारे हाल.
What do you see as the future for Diwar?
Future for Diwar, it is up to new generation. How they carry on. Now, आतांचे भुरगे कितें जालां, they are all money minded. They want fast money.
Yeah. They forget the history, yeah, they forget.
They don't bother about welfare of the village.
Yeah.
They are bother about welfare of themselves.
There was another generation in the past
Yeah.
where they took care of the village.
And people were concerned. I remember during our childhood, people used to, some ladies from the house used to go to work in their field. They'll come in your
Yeah.
field. It was barter
Exchange
system.
and barter.
Barter system. There was no cash.
Yeah, even
cash transaction was there. Oh, you give paddy.
even for grazing of the goats,
Yeah.
they used to share.
Yeah, share. Now the sharing is not there.
दिवाराचे कूट बी आसता मुंबई.
Oh, yeah, so, Diwar had two clubs. One in Jermal,
Okay.
in Dobitala, and one was in Chirabazar,
Okay.
Diwar Mansion.
Okay.
So Diwar Mansion is functioning. Our club, Jermal club, nobody is there. I think it must have gone. I feel. I stayed for 15 years in the club.
15 years.
Yeah.
Paying how much
That time, how much it was? 3 rupees, 4 rupees.
per month?
Yeah, rent. And we had a cook and all. And it was 1 rupee per meal.
Per meal. System bari आले
Very,
नहीं.
very good. And
Right in the heart of town.
I give credit to our forefathers, ancestors for starting this club because it helped a lot of people.
Helped lot of people.
It was like a meeting point. Even if
Guiding point,
Guiding,
job
meeting
searching point, job searching,
everything.
education
And
point.
Also, Tarvadi, when they used to land, they would come there, settle, and then next they come to Goa. So it was,
Stopping point, breaking point, breaking journey.
point, purchasing point, everything.
It was amazing, the kind of vision that went into
And
it.
it was in a prime area,
Heart of
Prime
town,
area,
heart of town.
yeah.
Tukani Godin vi Bosong Naka,
You
you
walk
don't
to the offices,
you don't have to struggle to fight to get into
And
the
you
under.
walk to the offices.
Walk. South Bombay. South Bombay.
Shipping office was there, Ballard Pier, ports were close by, everything was good.
I think that vision should not be lost. We should not forget those people and their work.
You must admire those people, their foresight was very good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.